Production insurance, I would break down into three different parts. The first being the liability. That's your commercial general liability, or also known as public liability, and that's the bodily injury or property damage to the public. No equipment vendor is going to let you out the door without liability insurance. You're not going to get a film permit without liability insurance, and a financier is not going to give you your drawdown without liability insurance because no one wants to be sued on your behalf. The second part and most common part is the property section, and that's going to ensure, your prop set wardrobe, production equipment, cameras, lighting, grip, as well as damage to vehicles being rented by the production, whether on camera or behind camera, grip trucks, your mobile studio units, your trailers, etc. So that's all the physical damage to those types of property. The third section is sort of the unknown part to most people who are out to buy film insurance, and that's what we refer to as first party coverage or extra expense coverage. The big one there, and the one that we tend to see the largest claims on, is what's called cast insurance. And cast insurance insures your key cast members or your director if they get sick, injured, or die. And it doesn't cover workers' compensation, and it doesn't protect the artists themselves. What it's doing is it's protecting the production company for expenses that the production company would incur if they had to do a reshoot or shut down production to wait for that artist or director to get better, or in severe cases where maybe someone dies or they're not going to get better quick enough for the production to get done. It would cover the cost to go back and reshoot with a new artist. Some of the big examples of that would be Heath Ledger on The Imaginarium of Dr. Parnassus, or, the biggest one we all have heard of recently was the Paul Walker dying during one of the episodes of the Fast and Furious films. And that's actually the largest cast claim in history, upwards of $50 million.